So it says the last element to get is the show hide card element. It says to store it in a variable named show hide card span. So we write const and then the name show hide card span, and then use the method document get element element by id, and then the id of that element would be the show hide card. The last part, it says then use let to declare a variable named is card showing and set it to false. So we use the type let rather than the const or the var, and name it is card showing and then set it to false. Now let's talk about const, let, and var. We know that const is unchangeable, and then var and let are has familiarities and similarities, which is both can be reassigned and can be changed. However, there are differences in both of their behavior, and it is stated that it is best and it is a good practice to use let rather than the var type in the modern JavaScript. And all I know is that it has a redeclaration prevention, which the let does not allow redeclaration of variables within the same scope. And it says this can help catch errors and prevent unintended behavior caused by accidental declarations of a variable. So it is best to use let type in the modern JavaScript. Nice.